To become scientifically literate, one has to do science. Good day everyone, especially to you Ma'am Ivy Diaz.
I am Nadja Dublas.
And I am Angelica B. Umpakan. And today, we're going to discuss about the importance of science literacy in elementary program. After watching this video discussion, you will be able to define what is science literacy, and science. Know the importance of science literacy in elementary program. What is literacy? Literacy is the ability to read, write, speak, and listen in a way that let us communicate effectively and make sense of the world.
So, what is literacy? Literacy is important that students need literacy in order to engage with the written word in everyday life, being able to read and write, to communicate effectively and understand the issue that are shaping in our world. So literacy is very important ni siya sa mga students, which is without literacy dili man ta makahibalo sa mga problem kung unsaon nato pagsulbad. Without literacy dili ta mahibaw on how to read and to write, and also to explore, to discover, and to experiment, especially in science.
So next is, what is science? Science is a systematic and logic approach to discovering how things in the universe work. It is also the body of knowledge accumulated through the discoveries about all the things in the universe.
Science it is a knowledge gained by systematic and logical study in any branches of physical, chemical, or natural sciences. Science is all about more on observation, experimentation, exploration, which is gained through as facts, principles, or hypotheses to open up new areas of knowledge. Science is very important, which teach us an understanding of natural phenomena. Kung ano mga nahitabo sa atong palibot, mahibaw kita because of our through science, mahibaw kita kung ano mga nahitabo sa atong mga palibot. Science aims to stimulate a natural curiosity in finding out why things happen in the way we do. It helps to satisfy many basic human needs, and also on how to improve our living standard. Through science, makahibaw kita kung ano mga dapat nato kung ano dapat nato i-take kung naamang galing tayo mga sakit. We can also find a cure for cancer or any na mga sakit na ato pangbati. Without science, there is no human growth, no technological advances, no knowledge generation. Without an investment in science, the world as we know it would not be possible. Without science, the world would stop. Science is very important ni siya sa ato because naghatag ni siya solution on how to solve our everyday problem. It helps us to answer the great way mysteries of the universe.
Next is, what is science literacy? According to Kathleen Ludd, Associate Dean of Nebraska Extension, science literacy is knowledge of science as well as the scientific framework by which people make decisions based on facts, research, and knowledge, not on opinion or hearsay. And according to PISA 2018, science literacy is an individual's understanding of scientific concepts, phenomena, and processes, and their ability to apply this knowledge to new and, at times, non-scientific situations. It is based on the understanding that science is an ongoing human endeavor. It is a powerful instrument to understand the natural world and provides tools to augment scientific knowledge. It is the means by which a person can inquire, involve, discover, and draw meaningful inferences. A scientifically literate citizen is capable of evaluating different points of view based on appropriate evidence.
Science literacy, it is a knowledge or our understanding about the science. It means that a person try to act and ask questions for what is make them confused or things that can get them very seems interested but somehow who didn't know how to handle. That's why asking for some experience is one of the example of science literacy. Nakabantay ka mo yun sa mga elementary students, dili lang sila ingon nga masatisfy sila sa atong mga answer. Dili sila ang na mutuo dayon. Gusto gid nila na mahibaw-an kung unay tinuod. For example, gaon mag-experiment ka mo. Wala ang kung imo dala mang istorya sa ila na ang balloon kung butangan yon siya ng tubig tapos imo sunugon dili gid yon siya masunog. So ikaw nasa student matinga sa kagayon no. Ma-confuse ka na nga ang balloon dili siya masunog. Naaman untay kayo, di ba? Although na siya tubig pero murag dili siya gihapon katuuhan kay ang bahay gani masunog gihapon bisag di ko anan nga nato ng mga kuan ng mga tubig gibusagan sunog gid gihapon ang kayo. Amo sa ganang mga students more on curiosity. That's why na kita ng mga teacher na nahibaw kailangan atong i-explain sa ila kung unoy kuan gyud process ato isa-isahon atong ipakita sa ila kay need sagad nila na makita bitaw para makahibaw sila na tinuod ba ya. Kay ang mga students sagad sigiyon sila pangutana nga teacher ang balon ra man siya masunog. Amo sagad yan class kailangan imo bitaw pasabton tapos imo sab sila tagaan ng kuan imo gud i-perform sa ila para gud sila makasabot. How do gud yun sa mga scientist if na sila gihuna-huna bitaw kung giunoy yaon siya kung na sila gusto studyhan ilagid ng hibawon kung giunsa mabitaw ng mga scientist dili mahiluna sige dabilitaw sila nag-study. Amo sabihan ang mga bata na kung na sila gustong mahibawan pangutan-on gid ang mga teacher kung giuno no para masulbad yaton ilang mga gipang isip balitaw. Teachers should support their understanding of scientific knowledge and prepare them to evaluate explanation from others, such as chickens are not birds. So children who can evaluate explanations are on their way to being science literacy, having some understanding, analyze explanation, and propose ways to investigate question about natural phenomena. Why science is literacy man siya? Without science, dili sa kita makahibaw if either both scientific explanation is real. So therefore, need gid ng science literacy which is give us prior knowledge na makahibaw about sa mga bagay-bagay. Para if naatay mga prior knowledge, we can apply it from our students, no? Para sa next generation, sila na isab ang magtudlo sa lain ng mga students. Scientific literacy is very important to us because it helps us to make us decision making. It is assessed in a better understanding of the risk-reward ratio, as well as helping with promoting and achieving scientific literacy. So the purpose of scientific literacy it is that a person can identify scientific issues underlying national and local decisions and express positions that are scientifically and technologically informed. So in conclusion, having science literacy to our subject is a big foundation to all of us.
So let's move on to the importance of science literacy in elementary program. So what are the importance of science literacy in elementary program? So these are the importance of science literacy in elementary program. The first importance of science literacy in elementary program is skill sets. Early experiences in science help the children develop their problem-solving skills and motivate them toward a lifelong interest in natural world. Through science literacy, students can develop their skill sets such as their problem-solving skills, their scientific inquiry skills, and other necessary skills that they can use in other areas of their lives, and in natural world. So the second importance is future resources. Students who study science early on are better equipped to handle scientific issues facing our world in the future. This importance, students who are familiar with the scientific issues facing our world through science literacy, they will be able to solve and handle these problems, and also they can find ways to solve these problems that we face. So the third importance is foundation of learning. Teaching science in elementary education set a foundation for them to be ready in higher school level and to understand complexities in science such as chemistry and biology. So in this importance, through science literacy, students can improve the foundation of their knowledge, and they can be ready in higher school levels, and also they can understand complexities in science such as chemistry and biology. So the fourth importance is future careers. Many important careers require knowledge of science. So in this importance, students who want careers in areas such as medicine, environmental work, or engineering need a strong foundation in science education in order for them to obtain those careers. And through the help of science literacy, they will be ready in their future careers. So the last importance is creative exploration. Young minds are creative, innovative, and full of ideas. Science nurtures this aspect of the brain. So in this importance, through creative science exploration, students can understand, analyze, know, and learn the learnings they need. Scientific knowledge help the elementary students to be better informed and make the best decision possible. Science literacy empowers individual with critical thinking to inquire, involve, discover, and conclude the best possible solutions. Elementary students are those who are curious on different things, and out of their curiosity, they can come up to their knowledge. It means that science literacy talks about the ability of elementary students in learning from his or her experience out of his curiosity. So by that, science literacy is important in elementary program because it provides a context for addressing societal problems, and because a science literate populace can better cope with many of its problems and make intelligent and informed decisions that will affect the quality of their lives and those of their children. So that's all our report. Thank you for listening and watching our video. God bless!